हाय गाइस, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे जिसका नाम है टेक्नोफोबिक। और आज हम बात करेंगे एक डेजर्ट कूलर के बारे में जो है सिम्फनी की तरफ से। तो मैं ये कूलर ऑलमोस्ट अभी 15 दिन तक यूज़ कर रहा हूँ और मैंने चाहा कि क्यों ना इसे एक कंप्लीट रिव्यू दिया जाए, जैसे कि अनबॉक्सिंग प्लस दी ओन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ यूजिंग दी कूलर। सो गाइज़, आजकल आप देख रहे हो कि पुणे में, मुंबई में या फिर इंडिया में जो हीट है वो इतनी बढ़ रही है कि आजकल हीट वेव्स भी आ रही है। और पुणे में ऐसा कहा जाता था कि टेम्परेचर कभी 27 के ऊपर भी नहीं गया था ड्यूरिंग द समर्स, बट आज 41 डिग्रीज तक टेम्परेचर जा चुका है। और हाँ, मैं पुणे में रहता हूँ तो ये एक यहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है वो थोड़ा सा ड्राई है, तो इसीलिए मैंने एसी के ऊपर आई थॉट ऑफ यूजिंग दी कूलर, बिकॉज कूलर में हॉल से बेडरूम में भी मूव कर सकता हूँ और पोर्टेबिलिटी मिल जाती है। बट हाँ, ये जो कूलर है इट इज़ नॉट एवरेज कूलर, इट्स अ ह्यूज डेजर्ट कूलर, सो दैट ये पूरा ऑलमोस्ट 300 प्लस स्क्वायर फीट तक का जो रूम है उसे ठंडा करता है, मैंने कहा चिल नहीं करता है। सो गाइज़, ये जो कूलर है उसका मॉडल नंबर है सिम्फनी स्ट्रॉम 100i और ये एक डेजर्ट टावर कूलर है, सो दैट ये ज़्यादा स्पेस भी कंज्यूम नहीं करता है। लेकिन हाँ, ये इसकी हाइट जो है वो लगभग 5 फुट 3 इंच के बराबर है और इसमें बहुत सारी अलग टेक्नोलॉजीज़ है, जैसे कि आई प्योर टेक्नोलॉजी है, यू कैन ब्रीथ द क्लीन एयर, 100 लीटर का जो है वाटर कैपेसिटी है, सो इट्स अगेन गुड। एंड इसका जो कंजम्पशन है, जो आजकल हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर बन जाता है, जो है 210 वैट तक, सो इट इज़ लेस देन व्हाट द अदर कूलर्स आर देयर इन द मार्केट। एंड it has a powerful fan with 7 speed option, so you can switch up to 7 layers of the speed, so that अगर बहुत ही ठंडा हो जाता है तो आप उसका स्पीड वेरी कर सकते हो। और इसमें तीनों साइड में हनी कोम कूलिंग पैड्स है विच आर लाइक सुपीरियर फॉर कूलिंग। एंड वो जो डेजर्ट कूलर जो आते हैं मार्केट में, जो 4-5 हज़ार के रेंज में आते हैं, जिसमें घास लगी हुई होती है, तो उसमें से एक अलग बदबू आती है, इफ़ यू डोंट यूज़ इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस कूलर इज इट ऑल्सो हैज़ द रिमोट कंट्रोल, so that you can control without getting up, and you can just switch it off, and it has all the functions which are there in the panel. I will show you in the later part of this video, which has the LCD control as well. So guys, let's quickly jump to the unboxing and let's see the build quality of the cooler, the size, and I will also show you the air which gushes out of the cooler, and that might get some noise in the microphone. So guys, let's have a closer look at this cooler, and we see that the entire build is of plastic, and we have this panel over here which is power, fan, speed, cool, the automatic mode, ionizer, and the timer. So we can set the timer over here, and I'll also show you the display once I connect this cooler. So this is a total of a 5.3 inch tall, 5 feet 3 inch tall cooler. So let me show you the honeycomb as well. So like you can see that after the usage of like a week, it's still like a new thing, because I haven't used it much, but yes, I've been using it regularly. So we have a 3-way honeycomb as it says, and that's the reason the cooling of this cooler is very good. So we can also see that the water level, so it says it's 100 liter. There is a overflow knob behind this cooler. From here the water will start dripping from here once it's overflows, and this is the place from where you can fill or you can put in your ice cubes from here. The best part of this cooler which I like is there are two-way knobs wherein you can just move this and you can direct the air as per your requirement. For example, if you do this way, you can get air if you're sleeping on the ground, so the air will be on your legs, and you can keep this a bit here so that it would also give some air to your face as well. So this is something which I like, because many of these coolers are missing this. So there is only one knob, but here there are two knobs which are very useful. There is a bar at the top wherein you can tie this wire over here, and there is a small this inlet wherein you can plug in your remote and you can just dock it over there. As you power on the cooler, you would see this display over here. So this is the remote where it says on timer, power, fan speed, swing, cool, ionizer and auto. The same thing is given over here. So just in case if you are standing, you can access this panel over here as well. So let me just power on the cooler now. So as you can see, it's just booting up. The fan speed is 1, and the right side we have the water level, and you see the cooler is started. So let me just power off, or maybe just power off the fan. So we have a swing indicator. This is a swing indicator. This is the cooling symbol, wherein once you do this, you would see the water dripping out from here at the top. So ideally the pump has started and it is pumping the water from the chamber to this honeycomb mess over here. So guys, this is the air ionizer technology in Symphony. Ideally it purifies the air in the room by electrically charging air molecules. So many air purifiers use fans and filters to remove contamination from the air, but the air ionizer it removes particular microbes and odor from the air. So let me give you a demo of this from the panel. So let's start the fan. Let's start the cooling, and you can see this is just our one mode. So we have like 7 modes of speed. This is the timer, this is the fan up and down arrow, this is the swing. Let's start the swing, and of course we started the ionizer, and this is the water level. So as the water level goes down, see the water level goes down, it gives us the beep. So you see that the water level is now down below the threshold. That's the reason we got this beep, and the cooling indicator is off. That means the pump is auto powered off to avoid any damage. So guys, this is again a good feature, as in if the water level goes down, the cooling automatically stops. So again, that is a very good thing which Symphony has given over here. So let me show you the fan speed to the max. So this is 1. This is the max. So guys, let me give you my verdict about this cooler. Is I am totally satisfied with this cooler, and the size of the cooler actually justifies the air which is flown out of the cooler, and it, as I said, it covers almost 300 square feet of area. But I would definitely suggest this, that if there is no space, or if you have a 1 RK, it is actually not recommended for this type of tower cooler, because it also it might consume some more space in your flat. And one more thing I would like to tell about this cooler is the consumption of the water is a bit high, because it has 3 layers of honeycomb mesh from all the 3 sides. So yes, it does take more water than what we see in the other coolers. But if you don't have that water constraint, then I think this is a good option. Another thing about this cooler is if the swing mode, which I told you that, and it has two parts in it, so that you can use the upper and the lower part to cover the entire body. So in this way, this cooler again becomes a very good option over the other coolers. The height of the cooler gives you extra benefit of, even if you are standing, you can feel that coolness if you are moving around. So that is again a plus point of this cooler, the height of the cooler. So guys, in the price range of around 17,000, I felt that this is a cooler which which is a good deal if you go in Chroma Vijay sales. So you might get some special offers on the HDFC cards as well. But this cooler is definitely a good buy for people who don't have water issues and space issues. These are the two factors which I would say you need to identify before buying this cooler. So guys, that's all for today about the Symphony cooler. Please let me know if you like this video. Please subscribe my channel, and you have a great day. Bye bye.